Wow, that third finger just didn't want to like slide out there. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's the that I have for you. It is day 3. Wow, that third finger just didn't want to like slide out there. It's day 3 of, oh man, July 2019 Max Week. I was gonna say like August or October because that makes a lot of sense. Also, I feel like this jacket is like translating weird on camera. I feel like I need to either zip it up more or zip it down more. Either way, I'm bothered by my own jacket selection for this video, but no big deal. If you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew, and Box Week is the best week every month. My YouTube channel is 1 week. Me and my YouTube family, we spend 7 consecutive days together, so you're catching us on the 3rd day. We're going to be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is right there as stuff falls out. Give me just a second. Alrighty, so tonight we're going to be opening up the Allure Beauty Box, and I'm really freaking out excited because it's Allure with Huda Beauty. Dude, so like Allure Beauty this year came out swinging. Like they have been one of the best subscription boxes on the market right now. It is $15. It's curated by the editors of Allure magazine. And this month it's going to be with Huda Beauty. So I am already like super excited. We actually got a Huda like mini palette in the Ipsy box already this month. So this is like Huda explosion. So I'm excited to see what is inside this box. I have John Wayne here, my pocket knife, opening up the box here. So if you are watching this video and you're like, I want to check out the box for myself, I do have a referral code down below in the description box, so just check that out. Also, if you're enjoying this video, feel free to give it a little thumbs up. If you're like, okay, yeah, I'm feeling it like more than I feel like I should be, but I'm feeling it, click the little comment button and leave a little happy feedback. That'd be amazing. All right, so on the very top, it's obviously going to be Huda on the top here. Inside, it's going to be the information all about the products that are in the box. So I'm really just like, I'm freaking out because I mean I bought Huda's eyeshadow palettes before. I haven't gotten some of her other stuff, so I'm excited to like see like what they actually did with this box. All right, so the first thing right on the side here, yes, it's one of her lipsticks. I've never actually owned a Huda lipstick before. It says Alluring Huda lipstick. Oh my god, I'm super excited. It is a liquid matte and it is in the shade Alluring. So obviously she made this for Allure Beauty and it looks like it's going to be like the Allure Beauty red. So that is probably going to be like, oh my god, that's awesome. This red, first of all, it smells amazing, but look at that. Look at that red. You guys, this is really exciting. We got a full-size Huda Beauty lipstick. This is like already the box. I'm like already like, well, it's got its value. It's done. I'm good. So a special Huda Beauty Allure lipstick, and then there's this entire like bag full of goodies in here. So I'll open this up if I can get it open. All right, next we have Hangover from Too Faced. This is a Full Night's Rest. Basically, this is a replenishing face primer. I've seen this plenty of times before. So basically, this is from Too Faced, and it's supposed to be like really good to like make your skin look like re-nourished the next day. So I'm gonna put this into our stockpile giveaway. The next thing that we have, it looks like, yeah, it is some Huda lashes in Samantha 7. So I'm not gonna. This is what the actual lashes look like. Here's the deal. You guys already know that like I can't do lashes. Like I've tried and I've tried and I've tried some more. It's just not my thing. So this will be going into the stockpile giveaway. I'm not going to go into the rant. You guys, every single time I do this, you comment, you're like, have you tried? Yes, I've tried that. But have you tried? Yeah, and I've watched videos and I still can't get lashes to work on my face. So these are going to be going into the stockpile giveaway. Hopefully whoever wins knows how to wear lashes and it works for them. So that's all I'm going to say on that topic. All right, the next item that we have is K. Ali Vanilla Orchid perfume. This smells incredible. Like I've actually been kind of thinking about getting a new fragrance and this smells amazing. Okay, so I'm going to put like just a little bit of this on my arm. My wrist here. Oh my god. This smells insane. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely going to be trying this out. I'll probably actually end up buying it. This is an amazing fragrance. And can we just take note that I like a fragrance? You guys know that I'm usually like, hate every fragrance. That's an amazing fragrance. I'm in love with it. I might actually even buy it. So I hope it's not super expensive. because then that's going to be a real bummer. So right now I don't know what it costs, so I'm just going to be really excited about it. The next thing that we have is Way Hair Care Texturizing Hairspray from Way. Alright, so this is from Way Hair Care. It's texturizing spray. You guys know I love me some texturizing spray. I actually recently just got a bunch of texturizing spray though, so this is also going to go in the stockpile giveaway. Not because it's not an amazing product. The Way Hair Care is absolutely phenomenal, simply because I did recently just get a couple things of texturizing spray and I want to share the texturizing spray love. But that is an amazing, amazing product. And then it looks like we also have, oh, look at this. We have Tony Moly Intense Care Gold Snail Hydrogel Face Mask. This is amazing. Guys, this box, this is good. I'm really, really happy with it. I'm really excited. I'm looking to make sure there's like nothing I missed. There's also this like really like dope photo of her like in the bottom of the box. So I'm going to quickly recap. We got the Tony Moly Intense Care Hydrogel Face Mask, the Gold Snail Face Mask. We got the K. Ali Vanilla Perfume Sample, which, why am I showing you? That doesn't. I was like, let me show you my hand so you can smell it. Yeah, that made a lot of sense. We got the Huda Beauty Alluring Lipstick in the Alluring Red, which is absolutely gorgeous. We got the Huda Samantha Classic Eyelashes, which are going into our box. We got the Way Hair Care Texturizing Hairspray, which is also going into our box. And we got the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which is also going into the box. Overall, I think this is a good box. I will say I feel like it's almost like a little bit less items than normal. I'm guessing that's probably because my assumption is probably because, you know, Huda, to get her to come out and make a box, probably not that cheap. Just gonna be real. Like, they're probably like, we gotta give some smaller samples so we can get Huda Katan to be all up in the Allure family. So I get that. But overall, I do think it's actually awesome. I'm looking in here really quickly to see how much that perfume is gonna cost, because I really, really feel like I want it. Yeah, so, yeah. Also, I think I didn't get something in here, because they said there's like some kind of brow thing in here, and I didn't get anything for my brows. I don't know. So I'm not sure. I'm just gonna say that I feel like I might not have gotten one of the products I was supposed to get, but it's okay. The perfume, let's see here, it is $65. Okay, all right, well, I'm gonna have to save up for that, but that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of box week. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. Why are you weighing our boxes? Like, why are you worried about if my box is heavier or lighter? She gets real mad though because I get more face masks than she does. Like, she doesn't get face masks from